Fellow Ron Paul supporters, brace yourselves because the market is going to plunge. And if you have money in the stock market, I want you to sell. Sell as soon as possible. Watch my other videos and you'll see why. But basically we're heading into a recession and a deflationary period where all kinds of assets will lose their value in nominal terms. So the price tag will go down. You want to keep your cash and go back into the market when the market has fallen. I want to talk about this financial meltdown starting in the US today on February 22nd, 2008. In Europe and Asia, where I am in Europe, it started yesterday, but you were closed for Martin Luther King Day. But I want to talk about the financial meltdown, and the financial meltdown is actually an opportunity for the Ron Paul movement, and that's what's so amazing about it. I mean, hey, Ron Paul, we raised millions of dollars yesterday. Can you believe that? There's $3.25 million in the Ron Paul campaign raised this quarter already. That's just amazing. So there's momentum here. And we have to use this financial turmoil, this possible meltdown of the financial system to our advantage. Because what this is illustrating is that Ron Paul's been right all the time. Because this is the unraveling of fiat money. This is the unraveling of all the money that's been printed by the government that's not backed by solid gold. So this is what Ron Paul's been talking about all the time. This is what Ron Paul's been warning us about. And everyone. But no one's been willing to listen because, yeah, sure, the intrinsic value of the dollar is zero. But as long as the music plays, we'll dance. But now the music stopped playing. And it's an amazing coincidence that this happens right in the middle of the Ron Paul campaign when we had momentum already. It's if it is meant to be. The crash comes like a godsend. People will be humbled. People will be looking for answers. People will be willing to listen to our message. So we have to seize this. We have to seize this opportunity to tell them about sound money, about money that's based on gold. Gold doesn't disappear like the credit contraction now and all the turmoil around that. What you have when you have a gold-based economy and a gold-based monetary system is that you have soundness and restraint. You know, everyone is restrained by the fact that gold is gold and you can't just print money and issue money left and right like the government is doing. This is a fantastic opportunity for us in the movement. We have to seize this opportunity, read up on gold and read up on what's happening. I pledge to you right here, right now, that I'm going to continue making these videos about the Ron Paul movement throughout the campaign. And I'm going to do my best to explain what's going on from the perspective of an economist. I'm going to tell you investment advice, what to do and not to do. And if you just follow my channel and subscribe to my channel, I pledge that I will do that. That's what I will do for the Ron Paul campaign. I'm going to continue making these videos. And we have a tremendous opportunity for ourselves, each and every one of us. I've been shorting the market, doing a killing on the market. And it's not too late. You can still do that, but follow my advice on Farman. But the fact that the market is crashing, it's a godsend. It's meant to be, because we will use that to teach people about Ron Paul's message, and we will use it to our advantage. And maybe this is actually what will make us win this campaign. There's a new opportunity for us to actually do this, because the others don't have any answers. They couldn't explain what's going on if they tried to. And Ron Paul has the answer. It's going to be extremely interesting. We live in interesting times.